everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Destash. These are mostly all dies. There are a couple embossing folders and one stamp set that goes with its coordinating dies. So let me get started. As you guys know, my Destashes are US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. If you are interested, please go ahead and email me. My email address will be in the description box below, as well as any information pertaining to this Destash, especially the availability. So if it is available, pending, or sold, it will be down there. And this lot is going to be shipped out in this flat rate padded envelope, and it will be $50 shipped. So let's get started. So first let me go over the embossing folders. There's this strip one. It kind of looks like is that a lattice? I'm not quite sure. But it's about, I would say about 1 inch wide. You also get this Joy and Mary Sizzix embossing folder. You will get these two Cuttlebug embossing folders. These are brand new. This one is a floral with hearts in it, so it'd be great for Valentine's Day. And then this one is a Christmas one. It's called Christmas Ornaments. This one was called Floral Fantasy. You will get this Stampin' Up! Fall Fest stamp and die combo. So here are what the stamps look like. So you can stamp these pumpkins out and then have some faces to make them jack-o'-lanterns. This super cute ghosts and some leaves. This is brand new. It has never been used. These are photopolymer, I believe. And here are the coordinating dies for it. So that is included. You will also get this Spellbinders Shapeabilities. This is Orchard Harvest Tags and Accents. So it comes with 9. And these are a pretty good size. And they have, like this leaf has an ornate detailing in it. It's really pretty. And this is brand new as well. You will get this Sizzix Tim Holtz Alterations. This is called Birthday Blueprint. And as you can see, it has never been used. It's never been opened. So you get the dies for all the images that are in the stamp set. So super cute. Also included is this Anna Griffin. This is a snowflake. I don't have the original packaging, but I don't even know if I've ever used this. I think I might have cut it out once. But you can see it's a really good size. So you will get that. You will also get this tree border. And this is by Darice. I don't have the original packaging for this either, but I've actually never used it. You will get this. It's like a background stamp. They have these stitched clouds. This is about 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And this one I do have a little sample. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's really cute detailing. You will get all of these dies in this lot. You will not be getting the magnetic sheet that it's on. I just have it there, so that's easy for me to display. But there are a bunch of nesting flower dies, like here, some here. These are actually the Momenta cut and emboss. Here's another set. There's a set of 4 corners. They're all different. You can place on cards. It's more of a random mix of dies. Here's a bow die. This one says Merry Christmas. This is a snowflake. I think I have a cutout of that one. So that's what that looks like. Here is a tag with scallops at the bottom. This is like a corner adorner. You can make a little tab out of this one. Here are a couple more tags, a little banner. This is just an ornate decorative piece. Some flowers here. This cuts out like all the different petals of the flower. This one actually, there's 2 dies. So you get the detail layer and then you get the outer layer. So if you want to put a solid piece of cardstock, you can use that so that you could have a backer. And then there's this super cute sewing machine. And I don't believe I've ever even used that one. So you get all of these that are on this, and they will be packaged up really nicely so that they don't get damaged. And then lastly in this lot are all these Heidi Swap word dies. So this is Bliss, Imagine, Thank You, Create, Lovely, and Happy. And again, you won't be getting the magnetic sheet. You just will be getting the 6 words. So that is the die lot. You will be getting all of these shipped in a priority flat rate envelope, and it is again $50 shipped. If you're interested, please email me. I will have that in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.